Hey everybody, it's Vicki Kenner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style, and today I want to share with you my Scentsy Club just came and I'm super excited. So first things first, what is Scentsy Club? It's a subscription club that you have control over. Literally, you put in whatever it is you want. You can have it set to come every month, every other month, or every 3 months, which is perfect. And you can skip a month. And so this is a great way to have things come that you know you're always going to need, and you don't have to deal with your consultant. You go straight to my website and set up your club however you want. So what I like to use Club for, which I think is my favorite feature, is you always get my bar. So when a new collection comes out, like pretty soon we're going to be getting our Harvest collection dropping September 1st. And there's some bars in there that are just in the collection. And if you love them, you need to put them in your Scentsy Club so that you can always get them. And so that's what I usually do. So most of my Scentsy Club stuff is all stuff that came out, whether it was in a collection or it was Bring Back My Bar previously. So this is all stuff that other people can't get, but I get it, and I get it every month, and I'm super excited. You get 10% off your order, and once you hit $60, you get a half price item. So that's amazing. So let's get to it. I already see some stuff that I'm already out of because I only get 2 bars a month of this. And that's another tip. You can go down in quantity, but you cannot go up. So it's always best to put in more than you think you need, and then you can lower it if you decide to. Okay, so the first one I'm going to talk about is Shut Eye. Got 2 bars of Shut Eye. Love this scent. This is one of my bedroom scents. This was from the Catching Z's collection. And it just smells so good. It's one of those like cozy type of scents, but it also is sweet. It's kind of got a little bit of, I don't know if it's floral. It's not overly floral, but it's just so good. I don't know if it's jasmine or what I'm smelling, but I love this scent. So that's 2 of my Catching Z's. Love it. Okay, this one I actually just used in my room yesterday. Cutie Pie Cupcake. Legit smells like a yellow cake. It is so good. It is so delicious. Okay, so I love this bar, and I used mine yesterday. Okay, another one that I just adore. It's also for my bedroom. It's Woolly Slippers. This was part of the Hugga collection that we had, I think, a couple years ago. And it's another like just cozy bedroom scent. It's very it's like related to Shut Eye. It's like the same vibe, like very cozy, bedroomy. I love this one. Oh, that is so good. So good. And here's another one that is like related to them, Fuzzy Blanket. And I got this one on a Bring Back My Bar. This is an older scent, like from before I was a consultant, and I love it. It came back a couple years ago, and I put it in my club. Oh, it's such a cozy, yummy scent. Oh my gosh, I love that. These are my favorite bedroom scents. Okay, another scent that I just love is Strawberry Basil. I don't smell the basil. It's just a really kind of a high class strawberry. It's not like a candy strawberry at all. It's like a strawberry. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, again, that one's Strawberry Basil. This was part of our Life's a Garden collection. Love this one. Okay. Another one that was part of a collection was part of our Easter collection, Banana Berry. And Banana Berry, I believe, is coming back in our Bring Back My Bar in January, I believe. Oh, and I just love banana scents. And this is a really nice banana scent. I don't really smell too much of the berry. I more smell banana. But then again, I still have COVID nose. So I don't smell the entire bar. I smell a little bit of the berry. My nose is getting better, which is great. But the banana, ooh, man, that's a good bar. Love this bar. Okay, so banana berry. Another one that was before my time, but then it came back and I put it in my club is Peppermint Dreams. Peppermint Dreams, along with another bar that's in there. I'll just go ahead and pull that one out. Banana Nut Bread, which is actually coming back in our Bring Back My Bar in January as well. You guys have to put this in your club. I'm telling you, as a friend, you need to put this in your club. Banana Nut Bread was the very first Scentsy scent, and it legit smells like banana nut bread. But these two are my most favorite Scentsy scents of all time. Love it. Okay, so Peppermint Dreams. If you've ever had like one of those Andes candies, it's like chocolate peppermint. Oh, it's so good. It is so, so good. I love this one. It's basically chocolate peppermint, just like an Andes candy or like a peppermint patty or something. But banana nut bread, you guys, I like to mix this one with another one that's coming out, Coffee Tree. Coffee Tree is another one that I have in my club, but I have it in a different, I have a couple different Scentsy clubs. That one I believe comes every other month. But I like to mix a cube of this and a cube of the Coffee Tree, and it makes the best like banana nut coffee scent ever. It's so good. So when this comes back, put this in your club. I'm telling you. Telling you. Another one that was before my time, but came back in to Bring Back My Bar, and I love, we go through a lot of this, is Happy Birthday. I love Happy Birthday. It's basically birthday cake. Oh, so good. You guys, I can't even tell you how good it smells in here right now. Seriously. So good. Okay. The next one, I have 4 bars of it because I love it that much and I use it that much. This is one of my living room scents and I love it. It is Toasted Marshmallow. Toasted Marshmallow. It was part of a, was it a summer collection? I can't remember. It's been a couple years, but I've kept it in my club ever since. Ooh, man, this is so good. So good. Love this one. So those are the bars that I got. And like I said, I got 4 bars of that. Then, because it went over $60, I got a half price item. And what I chose is a product that I go through about a bottle of it every week at work for my work truck. Plus I have a bottle that maybe takes me a month to go through here at the house. And that is my Counter Clean. I love Counter Clean. And the Johnny Appleseed Counter Clean legit is my favorite. I actually think it's perfect for fall, but I love this one. Love, love, love. Now we have new scents that it comes in too. So I always get that half price. So it's only 5 instead of 10. Hello. Worth it at 10, but I'll take it at 5. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, so that is my Scentsy Club for August. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Follow me everywhere. Let's be friends. And I hope you're having a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.